This Google hack can be done by anyone around the world. It is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. There will be no selling, affiliate marketing, social media followers needed in this hack. Aside from that, you can do this even without any previous experiences. What you will do is to simply copy and paste some text. Just stay tuned until the end of this video to learn this hack. At the end, you will learn how to earn money online because I will tell you 3 websites where you can make money. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning and do not be embarrassed by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Now let's proceed. Google is a powerful tool for earning money. I will show you how to use it in order to get paid again and again. This technique only requires less than 30 minutes of your time, so it is simple and easy to do. If you do not want to use PayPal or it is unavailable in your area, I will tell you various payment options that you can choose from to get paid. It can be through bank transfer, Payoneer, and etc. Now, let me start teaching you how to earn money through Google Hack. First, go to google.com. The next step is to find Google News on the search tab. When the results come out, choose the first website, which is the official website news.google.com. You will see all the latest news, articles, and information about everything on this site. It is the online version of a newspaper where you can find a lot of things. Headlines about business, politics, sports, technology, entertainment, science, health, history, and many more can be found on Google News. You might ask me, how can I get money from this? Or, what should I do to earn free money from this site? Well, I will answer you later. You will know soon, so do not exit the video. I will show you exactly how to earn from this. As you can see on the left-hand side of the screen, all categories are present there. It presents information and news about the world and its current affairs. Furthermore, it also shows news from local areas. Now, our focus is not on local news. Instead, we will look at those news that involve business, technology, sports, entertainment, science, and health. Let's try to select one for you to see. I will choose the health category. After clicking it, it will provide the latest health-related happenings and articles around the world. I will scroll. Hopefully, we will find an interesting thing here. This article looks good. Plus, it was uploaded quite recently. It would be one of those articles that people will easily click to take a look at. What you would do when you find this is to click and open the article. Do not worry because you won't write nor sell something from this. This is not a marketing campaign. It is not connected with affiliate marketing nor CPA marketing. What you will just do is to open it and copy the article. For example, copy this part of the article, then now we will proceed with the third step. You will go to the third website that we're going to use. The website's name is Spinbot.com. In this site, paste the article that you have copied from Google News. The site Spinbot is the one responsible for rewriting the article. In this way, Spinbot will help you recreate the article using your own voice to make it unique. The paraphrased article will be used on 3 additional websites that I'm going to tell you. The said websites are willing to pay for the articles you made. Some of them can pay you $1 per word. As we all know, these articles contain more than 1,000 words. Thus, it is hard to imagine the amount of money that you can earn from it. To continue, paste the article in this box. You can scroll down a bit and you will see the I am not a robot test. Make sure to answer it. Then press go. After that, Spinbot will rewrite the article to make it unique. Look, the same message and context can be seen in the results, but the use of synonyms made it different from the original. Now, copy the paraphrased article, then you will need the next 3 websites to earn money from the article that you paraphrased. The first website that I will tell you is eatingwell.com. In this site, you can pass articles or write articles for them. They will pay you for submitting contents to their page. Instead of using your energy and time creating all those articles on your own, you can utilize Spinbot and Google News to create efficient and high-quality output. Just like that, you can get paid $1 per word. This is just the first website. There are 2 other websites that you can also use to make money online. The next questions are, how will you submit the article and how can you earn from it? Simply scroll down a little until you see this section where they provide their contact information. Just copy their email address and proceed to your own email account. Send them an email. In the subject line, make sure to include article submission on it. You can also play with other words as long as the message that you will relay will be the same and along the lines of submitting articles. In the body of your message, include your own article as an attachment. Now, send the email to them. Once they receive it, it will undergo a review. Once it passes their standards, they will get your payment information. You can tell them to pay you through PayPal. Then include your PayPal email address in the message. If you do not prefer PayPal, you can say that you want to be paid using bank transfer. If that's your option, include your bank information in the email. As we all know, there are numerous ways to get your money. Hence, just always include the necessary account information in your email if you prefer another mode of payment. There is another site where you can submit your article. It is on sierraclub.org. Proceed to their website to see it. In submitting articles on sierraclub.org, just go after the directions over here. You will just send a message to their email address, copy their email, and proceed to your own email account again. Compose a message with the subject line of submission. In the body, attach your article and then send it to their email account. In sierraclub.org, the articles are not about health and fitness. Instead, you should find articles related to science and technology. To find related articles, go to Google News. On the left side of the screen, choose the science category. The page will show you news related to science. Choose one of them and copy its content. Go to Spinbot and let it rewrite the article for you. Once it is done, you can now submit it to sierraclub.org as a Word document. Aside from eatingwell.com and sierraclub.org, there is another website where you can pass your article. This site is daily.jstor.org. Just check their submission guidelines to know more about their submission process. On this website, the money that you can earn is not as big as what you can get from other websites. That is okay though because the site is a great one. you can still make additional money and maximize your opportunity using this strategy. One excellent thing about this website is it only requires an article with a maximum of 2,000 words. With this article, you can get paid around 31 cents per word. If one of your articles will get accepted, you can get paid 100 bucks already, if not more. All you need to do is copy and paste some texts. Then wait to get paid. That is how you can get paid using Google News. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.